I'm Alex, I'm from Rochford Landscapes. Today we're back at this beautifully architectural home built by QPC, and we're just finishing off the stage 2 planting. The owners were really onto it on this project. They got themselves a concept plan from Babylon Gardens. Straight after that, they got in touch with us to start being a part of the project. It's a warm, natural theme running throughout, both with the planting and with the rocks. Like, it all ties together really nicely. We work from the ground up, then we get all the rocks in place usually. We also got the pebble and the jack mat for stabilization. That is a great way to get any kind of patio, walkway, driveway for the gardens. We have gone with one of the fan favorites with forest floor. It is a beautiful, soft textured mulch that helps with the moisture retention and is also very aesthetically pleasing. When we take on a project like this, Central Landscape Supplies are great in the way that they can deliver in bulk. They have such an array of materials and products for us to choose from.